Last episode, we showed you our plans for our fully wheelchair accessible house, and with the help of our crew, we finished up the wiring. Here's what we've been working on.
So today what we're doing is we're putting drop sheets over all the windows in the cathedral ceiling. We're going to be putting spray foam up there. So just to protect all the beams and the windows, what we're doing is we're just putting a thin piece of plastic over all the windows and beams just to cover them from overspray so that when we're done, we have an easy job to clean up.
This took a while because we have so many big windows in that room.
We are carefully placing the first backfill around the covered porch area. The foam crew is doing their final touch on the ceiling. Now that they're done spray foaming the cathedral ceiling, it's time to insulate the walls.
I'm pretty limited to what I can do for my wheelchair, but they find me little jobs to do here and there. With the help of my parents, we finished insulating the walls of the main floor in no time. So just a tip for ordering your windows, a standard window usually has a latch at the bottom and the top to unlock the window, but we ordered ours with a latch only at the bottom to control all the locks, so it's more accessible and easy to reach for me.
We brought in over 100 semi-loads of backfill, and there's still a whole lot more to come. Now that all the installation's done, it's time for vapor barrier install.
Our elevator is finally in and we're so excited. No more bumping upstairs when I'm visiting the house.
For the inside of our elevator, we decided to go with a maple paneling and LED pot lights in the roof. There were so many options to choose from, but this is what we went with.
Installation was quick, it rides really smooth, and we're really happy with it.
Me and my dad put about a week's work into the septic field and still got about 2 days to go.
Our kitchen window arrived, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that it got installed. We had to figure out the height of the countertop, which is why we ordered the sink window last. And that's a recap of what we've been working on from spring to fall.